Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve exercise number 50. We will use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This free SolidWorks video tutorial will help you learning 3D CAD designing. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools. First, we are going to draw the top view of the part.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch.
Now take Circle command.
Radius is 25 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 50 millimeters. Diameter is 20 millimeters. Take center line command and draw lines like this.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 55 millimeters. Distance is 15 millimeters.
Now take the line command.
Make sure these lines are tangent with the circle. Take fillet command. Select these corners for fillet. Fillet radius is 15 millimeters.
Press OK. Press OK. Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal. Diameter is 5 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Sorry, still we need to trim one line.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Extrude height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now we will make this vertical portion of the part. For doing that we will sketch on this surface. Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Convert these circles.
Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 40 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Take center line command and draw lines like this. Now take Offset Entities command. Offset distance is 10 divided by 2 equals to 5 millimeters. Make sure bidirectional is checked. Select cap ends. Select line.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Control select these lines and choose symmetric.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 10 millimeters. Distance is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Still, we need to define the sketch. Drag the line outside. Control select these lines and make coincident. The sketch is overdefined. Let's fix it. Double-click on the red color word overdefined. Click on Diagnosis button. Within the 3 possible solution you have to accept the most possible one. In this case we will accept solution number 1.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Extrude height is 20 millimeters. Height is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Fillet radius is 20 millimeters. Select these corners for fillet.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Left click on this surface and select sketch. Convert these circles. Diameter is 30 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Depth 5 millimeters.
Press OK. Congratulations.
Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Make the start time 0 second. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy this SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.